Hello Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for July 1st to July 3rd, no? Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate. Hit the notification bell para po ma-notify po kayo every time na tayo ay nagre-release po, no, ng bagong video. So, Leo, kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po tayo dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, no? So, kung hindi po kayo tiyempo sa time, no, dito po sa comment section, pwede naman kayong magtanong as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So, Leo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. Leo. Oh my God, Leo. Ikaw nga ba ito? Dahil nakikita ko may mga takot sa ating dibdib, no? May daga ang sinasabi natin yan sa salitang kalye, no? Kasi parang hindi natin alam kung saan papunta itong relasyon. I feel like your person also probably went somewhere, no? Na hindi mo alam, no, kung nasaan siya. You may be tracking your person, you're observing the person, pero hindi mo alam kung saan siya naglalagay, no? Probably there are also sabihin natin na hinahanap mo na siya, no? Missing in action, yes. I feel like this person cannot be found as well, so medyo kinakabahan na tayo. Probably at the back of our mind, tinatanong natin, no, meron ba siyang iba? Hindi naman siya ganito dati, no? Anong meron at bakit nagkakaganito ang aming relationship, 'di ba? With the Two of Pentacles and the Nine of Swords. So, parang papunta na tayo sa stress level. I think na medyo hindi tayo nakakatulog ng maayos. Hindi pa naman tayo binabangungot, no? Or hindi pa naman tayo nagkakaroon ng masamang panaginip regarding this. Pero, balisa ka na, no? With the with the Two of Pentacles. So, wala pa naman confirmation kung ano yung nangyayari. So, parang you're gauging, di ba? You're gauging this situation. Ano ba yung dapat kong ma-feel? So, ikaw mismo, hindi mo alam kung tama ba tong hinala ko? Kailangan kong pakalmahin yung sarili ko. Hindi ko alam ang gagawin so far. Actually, mas okay sana, no, kung sana mamanhid itong nararamdaman ko kasi parang feeling ko lumalamlam, no? Bumabagal itong relationship namin. Ayoko naman siyang i-entertain, no? Ayoko naman mag-isip ng masama, baka mangyari, di ba? Let's clarify the Two of Pentacles, the Five of Wands, and the Queen of Swords. So meron ba tayong nasabi kay person nung tayo'y galit na galit, no, Leo? I think that this is a classic Leo antics, no? Kasi pag galit si Leo, either malakas yung boses, palasigaw, sometimes with authority, sometimes Leo roar very loudly. Hindi naman talaga yun yung gusto niyang iparating, no? I think that you are reasoning out and probably there's a word that kind of slip in your tongue and you didn't mean it. So I feel like siguro nafe-feel din natin or baka tinatanong na natin sa sarili natin, ganun ba yung pain na na-inflict ko kay person, kaya siya hindi ko mahanap ngayon. With the Page of Swords and the Ace of Pentacles, I feel like you're ready to point out, you're ready to reason out, no, bakit ganun ang reaction natin. Kasi hindi nga natin makita si person with a Page of Swords. So probably, nandito din tayo sa stage na, yeah, meron akong pagkakamali. And I'd probably talk to the person para maayos naman kami. Hindi naman kawalan din sa akin kung hihingi ako ng sorry if I needed to. Pero I will point out also na kaya ganito ang reaction ko kasi ganito yung ginawa, no? With peace, the Four of Cups, and the World card. So, Four of Cups is parang nagtatago si person at hindi ka pa niya ready kausapin. So, there's heightened energy. Whether this is you yung naghahanap or ikaw yung hinahanap dahil ikaw yung nagawa ng masama, the bottom line is may isang tao na hindi pa ready makipag-usap because there's still heightened energy or nagtatampo pa, no? With the Moon card and the Six of Pentacles. So it felt like there's still a lot of questions, no? Especially the Two of Pentacles is on top. So probably tinatanong yung person na ito yung nasaktan, no? Should I move forward? Should I, give or talk to them, no? Ang hirap kasi with regard to the Moon card, this is overthinking, no? Nag-overthink na, nag-overthink din yung taong nakasakit. To a point na baka iniisip niya wala na akong pag-asa, no? Let's see. With the Eight of Pentacles and the Phoenix, so I feel like, kung sino man yung naghahanap, whether this is you, Leo, or the cross watchers, no? It takes a little time. Hayaan muna natin yung taong nasaktan na i-savor, no? Itong pain niya. Intindihin also na kailangan niya ng sarili niyang time for a little while. Pero kung lumamlam man, itong pag-ibig, lumamlam man, itong relationship, I think that love will still conquer, no? Still dominates the heightened emotion. Kung may galit pa man ng konti, pakalmahin muna natin. Kasi maganda naman yung card, di ba? Maganda yung card, maganda yung flow ng energy kasi it gives us a security, no? Na things will be okay. Things will go back to its normal phase, no? Kaso, sa ngayon, someone is gauging or probably taking their sweet time to heal, no? To heal. So, this is your reading for now. Leo, tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Taurus, Virgo, Pisces, Scorpio, Capricorn, Leo is there, Sagittarius, no? So this is your reading, Leo. Tingnan natin, no, ang saloobin ng taong sabihin nating naghahabol or naghahanap, no? Tingnan natin ang saloobin ng taong naghahanap. What's the point of it all? I think ang lumabas dito is yung gustong sabihin ng taong hinahanap, no? Makikita mo pa yung heightened energy, mararamdaman mo pa yung push, mararamdaman pa yung slight galit. Ano? Kuha pa tayo ng isa. I've been fighting a battle I can't win. So ito na naman, no, ang lakas ng energy kung sino man itong yung taong hinahanap. Parang feeling niya, ano pang sense ng pag-uusapan natin kung hindi naman ako nananalo, no? I feel like someone feels very defeated, no? Pero tingnan natin ang sinasabi ng spirit guides, higher self, guardian angel, or universe, no, whatever you want to call the energy. Make today your new beginning. Try to leave any past mistakes in the past. Don't allow them to weigh you down any longer. Move forward today with confidence and knowing that you have a better and brighter days ahead. So, ang nakikita ko dito is kung sino man yung taong nagtatampo pa, no? Kailangan niya nang mag-move forward, kailangan nang i-let go, hindi siya nakakatulong. Siguro ito yung time na dapat din nating kilalanin, baka naman talagang sobrang nagbalat sibuyas tayo. It doesn't matter kung totoong nasa sobrang sakit or whatnot. Hindi siya magandang energy na dapat natin i-cultivate dahil it weighs down, no? Yung mga blessings na pwedeng mangyari, no? Or pwedeng nating i-harvest instead na mag-dwell tayo, no? Kasi ang sabi nga natin, kung saan tayo nakafocus, yun ang binibigyan natin ng dilig. Kumbaga, kung tinatamad tayo, no, yun ang pinapahalagahan natin ngayon. Kaya wala tayong nangyayari sa buong araw, no? So same as this, kaya siguro mabigat din ang flow ng energies, it's because of meron tayong mga hinanakit. So try to forgive not only the person but also forgive yourself, Leo, no? So this is your reading, Leo. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, sa kabilang channel po yun, that's Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live din po tayo doon. So, pwede kayong sumali. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, there's a link in the description box na pwede kayong magtanong, no? Kung hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, na pwede naman nyo rin itanong dito sa comment section. Nandun po ang link. Nandun po yung how much, the prices per question, modes of payment, no? Pakibasa na lang po mabuti. And if you also want to book a private reading, nandun din po yan sa kabila, sa description box. So love and light to you. Namaste. See you on the next live or the next reading. Goodbye, Leo.